Good afternoon, everyone. It's a pleasure to welcome all of you to the Verizon store today. We are very excited to bring an event that will showcase all the different ways in which Verizon supports small businesses and to highlight our commitment to investing in things that small businesses can use to grow and succeed.
Here in Boston, we have a really vibrant small business community. And so Verizon is really seeking to partner with small businesses as they're small and really support them. And as they grow, our relationship with them grows.
Verizon started about a couple of months ago the Verizon Supplier Small Business Accelerator.
Small businesses have big dreams. What we're trying to do is provide tools and technologies like AI, for example, that is tailored specific to small business needs and capabilities.
This platform will change the trajectory of your business. It's a great place to get resources. It's a great place to network. There's free coaching.
Small businesses have a challenge today. They don't just set up brick and mortars, they really have to have an online presence. And so when you think about tools like Verizon's Small Business Digital Ready and also the Supplier Accelerator, what these will do is they will really help small businesses grow and reach large stakeholders.
I completely trust Verizon Digital Ready. It was really helpful to use these resources and watch these videos that I knew were vetted and from professionals.
She sort of brought us into the modern age with the website and the social media and everything. That was a major stepping stone.
Again, thank you so much to our small business owners who are here today. You're really a major engine of growth for our economy, and we look forward to future conversations with you.